Hi, I'm William Petterson. I'm going to be the new physics and woodworking instructor at Sanford, something I'm very excited about. I have a background in physics, having a degree from the University of Chicago, and I have a master's degree in education from the University of Colorado Boulder. Now, I'm from Colorado originally, and while I'm going to miss the mountains quite a bit, I'm excited to be moving back out to the East Coast for the first time in a while. Very excited to be a little bit closer to the coast. I chose Sanford because it's a place where I feel like I can really make good connections, good relationships with students in a way that I don't think I could at most other schools, and in particular at the places I've experienced before, like public schools. And I'm very, very excited about that, and it's a real draw for me. Being from Colorado, I'm of course a pretty avid outdoors person. I like hiking, I like bird watching, I like pretty much all things nature. But I also am a pretty avid reader. I'm mostly fantasy, sci-fi, that kind of thing. And those are my two major interests, alongside a little bit of board games and tabletop games. So that's just a little bit about me, and just to say again, I'm really excited to be joining the Sanford community this fall.